Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have my weekly Walmart grocery haul. This haul was about $110, and I did have to get a little bit higher ticket items that were not grocery related, which is why it bulked it up a little bit, because this is not a huge haul. It's just like usual, things I needed to stock up on, filler things to fill in gaps for recipes. I'm pretty still well stocked on meat and produce, so again, just other things that fall into different categories. So first off, I discovered these drinks a couple weeks ago. My friend Sarah actually drinks them, and I have tried the ice drinks that are in the plastic bottles. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. You probably recognize that logo. But anyways, I always saw her drinking these and I thought they were like an energy drink, but they're just like a caffeinated version of the drinks in the plastic bottles. So this is a flavor that I really like. It's the blue raspberry. So it's just like a sparkling ice drink, just like in the bottle, with caffeine added. And then I also like the black raspberry one as well. I would have gotten a couple more of these, but this was the last one. So I just got 3 of these and 1 of those, and then I do have a few more in my fridge that I've stocked up on. I'm hearing they're pretty cheap on Amazon, like $1 each. At Walmart, they're $1.28. They're a 16-ounce can if you care about stuff like that, but they are really tasty. So I've been having one a day as a treat. I needed more rubber gloves. I use these a lot for different elements of cooking, like if I have to make meatloaf or use my hands to really make meatballs or something. I like to use these. I also like to leave a few pairs of these in my vehicle, because I like to use them for things like pumping gas, anything where I have to really be touching a lot of things in public, where I just feel like hand sanitizer doesn't cut it. So I do like to keep these always in my home. I got some of the Farm Rich brand breaded mushrooms. We're going to have a little barbecue with some friends. And I want to do the appetizers. I volunteered to do the appetizers for everybody. So this is just one of the things that I got. I've had these before. They're really tasty, and we just dip them in ranch. I got the Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade, which I've been buying on and off, I don't know, for about 6 to 8 months since I've discovered it. I got Grady his Great Value low-fat yogurt tubes. This one is melon berry and strawberry banana. They're very similar to the Go-Gurt brand, but a whole lot cheaper. I also got him the Danimal pouches. I buy one of these pretty much every week. We pop them in the freezer in the morning, and sometimes he'll take them to school for snack. I did get these shelled edamame. They were in the frozen section. I love edamame personally, but I thought this would be good to sprinkle on my salads. I'm actually going to have a big salad for lunch today, and I'm going to try these, sprinkle these right on top along with the rest of the toppings. I think it'll be really tasty. I did get some Little Smoky beef Hillshire Farm sausages. Again, we're going to do that barbecue and get together with friends. So I'm going to do these in the crock pot with some grape jelly and barbecue sauce, both of which I already have, so I didn't have to purchase it. I got some Margarita brand pepperoni. I prefer the pepperoni like on the stick the best, but for convenience, I do like this brand. For pizza, I'm going to make a pasta salad, so I'm going to need that for pasta salad. We also put this out with crackers and cheese and veggies if we have people over or just snacking at home. I got a couple yogurts for my husband for next week's lunches. I think I have 1 or 2 more left. This one is the Perfect Peach Cobbler. It's peach low-fat Greek yogurt with oatmeal pastry pieces and frosted cinnamon crunch. And these are the flips kind, where you flip the toppings into the yogurt. And then I also got him this Light and Fit Greek Crunch in Peanut Butter Delight. He had this one last week and said it was really good. I got the Wild Wonder Gourmet Medley tomatoes for pasta salad, because I'm going to cut those up and put those in the pasta salad. I got our favorite Arby's seasoned curly fries. They're really tasty with burgers, with hot dogs, sandwiches. They're really good with BLTs. We just love those fries. I got a head of broccoli for the pasta salad, and whatever's left, I'll just steam it up. We have broccoli quite a bit. I also got broccoli florets because I want to do a sausage, broccoli, sun-dried tomato penne pasta dish, like a pasta bake. And I'm going to use these florets. They're just easy to steam up, chop up, and throw in any pasta dish. Speaking of pasta, I had to stock up quite a bit. We are a big pasta family. I grew up in an Italian family, so I ate pasta like 3 times a week growing up. I don't eat it quite that much now, but I would say we eat pasta a solid 2 days per week in a 7-day week. In some way, shape, or form, whether that be as a side dish or a main entree, but we do go through quite a bit of pasta. So when I get the elbows, I do get the larger 2-pound box. It's just more cost effective, and we go through it. So I got a box of that. I got a box of the mini bow tie farfalle pasta. I thought this would be nice to make my BLT pasta salad, which I have a video on. I thought that would be good. And then I did get 3 boxes of the tricolor rotini. It's just the colored pasta, because this is what I use a lot in the summer for pasta salad, one of which I'll be using for that barbecue. I also got Kraft Zesty Italian for the pasta salad. I'll use any dressing I have, but if I'm given a choice for pasta salad, this is the one I prefer. I just think it's the tastiest for pasta salad. I also got the large Cascade dishwasher detergent. This thing is huge. It's, let's see, 3 pounds, I think. It's huge, maybe even 4. It's the biggest bottle that they had there. I got a big thing of romaine because I'm going to do a huge salad when I'm done filming this. And whatever's left, I'll just put in my salad spinner and prep it all so it's ready for side salads for the week. I got the Great Value brand hash brown with onion and peppers, the southern style. I make these probably once a month. I do breakfast bowls. I do breakfast for dinner, breakfast skillets. You guys know if you've watched any of my What's for Dinner videos before. I got the family size toasty, extra toasty Cheez-Its, our favorite. Some Elio Supreme pizza. I love this pizza for just a quick, easy lunch at home. I got butter bread, which is what my son likes for his peanut butter sandwiches, and he also likes to have toast and eggs, and this is the bread that he likes. I did have a coupon for a Nutrish purchase. It was $2 off a $5 purchase. It was a really weird coupon. I actually found it online randomly. But anyways, it is, Nutrish is the Rachel Ray brand. Random fact, Rachel Ray lives very close to me. My sister worked with her brother for many years. I've met her several times. She's definitely like a celebrity here in this area, and it's not uncommon to spot her out and about. Especially lately because of COVID, she's been hunkered down at home. Obviously her house burnt down recently, but she is still in the area. Anyways, I went off on a tangent. I did decide to get these cat foods for my cat because she does make dry cat food, but my cat won't eat any cat food except Science Diet. It's just the one she's always had her whole life, and she's 16, so pretty set in her ways with dry food. But anyways, I decided to try these tuna, just wet packs, because I had that coupon and they were really cheap with that. I also got the Finish dishwasher cleaners. I buy one of these, I don't know, about once a month, and I use one tablet about every other week, and I feel it does a really good job of cleaning and sanitizing the interior of my dishwasher and just keeps it running smoothly. And then I did get, except for this, I did get some things, a couple things for my son. I'm always constantly looking for products, whether it's, you know, food, books, whatever the case may be. If it is going to make my son happy, comfortable, his comfort is really important to me. So I'm always looking for different things, and he does take a bubble bath about once or twice a week, and he really, really enjoys it and looks forward to it. And we normally use the Dr. Teal's Epsom salt, like the adult version, but I saw they had a kids version. It is new because I've never noticed it. And I'm always looking in the kids section, in the bath section, because I'm always looking for different things to try with Grady. But anyways, it's the Dr. Teal's Kids. It is the elderberry and vitamin C with essential oils, and it's an Epsom salt bath. So I think he's going to be really excited about this. He loves pouring the salts into the bath, into the bubble bath. And I just think it'll be really nice for him. and something different. It was about $5, and this is a 2-pound bag. Also in the same section, I saw this Dr. Teal's body lotion. It says sleep lotion with melatonin and essential oils. It is paraben free, and it has shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. I just thought this would be nice to for him to put on his body before bed after a nice bubble bath. I don't know. It kind of just seemed comforting to me, and I'm always looking for things to make his life more comfortable. I also got this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Body Gel Cream. I've talked about this in my empties. I've shared this before. I love this lotion, especially in the summer and the warmer months, so I should have probably gotten 2, but I did get one of those. And then lastly, I got some Parents' Choice, which is a Walmart brand, wipes. I normally get the Parents' Choice, the refill bag. It has like, I don't know, 600 wipes in one bag, but they were completely sold out of every scent. So I did just get the 3-pack of the cucumber wipes. We keep these everywhere. My husband keeps one in his truck. I keep one in my car. They're all over the house. We are a huge wipe junkie family. But anyways, this is everything that I got for the week. I'm going to share now my meal plan for the upcoming work week. Alright, so super quick and easy meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do pancakes, bacon, and fruit. Whenever I do breakfast for dinner, I like to use whatever fruits that we need to use up before they, go bad. One night I'm going to do stuffed pepper soup. I think I have a video on that, so if I do, I will link it down below in the description box, and then we'll just have a simple salad on the side. We're going to do some chicken wings on the grill one night. I already have wings frozen in my downstairs freezer, so we'll grill those up. I'll probably marinate them. I'll do some veggie skewers on the side with some kind of rice. I'm going to do my egg roll in a bowl recipe. I have not made that in a long time, and I'm pretty sure I have all the ingredients to make it. I will link this recipe in the description box down below as well. If you do like egg rolls, you will like this recipe. It's really tasty. I'm going to do broccoli mac and cheese one night with a salad, which will be our no meat night. This makes a ton, so we'll definitely have leftovers for lunches. I'm going to do shrimp Caesar salads one night with Italian bread. I already have romaine, croutons, parmesan, and the Caesar dressing. And the shrimp is frozen. I just have to thaw it out, and I might even throw it on the grill. And then, of course, I have my freebie night, which is whatever I feel like making, leftovers, takeout. Sometimes we go to my parents' house. It just depends on whatever we're in the mood for. But that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. I tried to keep it really simple. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.